So, kamusta being a part itong Bad Genius series?
Sobrang happy, honored, and full of pride, and very proud ako to be part of this series. So, and sobrang speechless talaga ako ngayon eh. I mean, overwhelmed talaga ako. So,
How is it working with Atasha?
working with Natasha is really, really happy and really, really nice kasi she's really humble. She's really hardworking. That's what I saw. That's what I've seen from the past tapings sa Windy. She's really hardworking. Talagang ginagawa niya assignments niya, ginagawa niya yung best to the extent na aaralan niya talaga yung characters niya and all. And she's really bubbly, kaya she's easy to get along with. Madali kami naging close lahat-lahat. Kaya lagi masaya yung set kasi sobrang kulit niya.
Yung mother mo rito si
Miss Irma.
Miss Irma, di ba?
Yeah,
grabe rin yung acting nun.
Grabe yun. I mean, when we did this first heavy scene, hindi ko makakalimutan yun. I was kinda pressured kasi syempre si Miss Irma yun eh. And one of the heaviest scene dun sa series. Pero it turns out, lumabas siya as in sobrang ganda kasi just by looking at her, by just her presence, sobrang strong na. Sobrang strong na talaga. Kaya nadala na ako and wala na. Everything was just great.
Curious lang kami, pinag-uusapan namin, sino bang girlfriend ni Jairus ngayon?
Oo.
Kamusta ba yung puso ni Jairus ngayon?
I'm happy.
Non-showbiz?
Vlogger, influencer. Still, we're on our third year.
Hindi ka ba nape-pressure na yung mga kasabayan mo? Sila Nas, kinasal na, di ba? Sila,
Sabi ko nga, may nakita ko sa Instagram, your friends are getting married, having families and all. Pero ako, I'm just hitting my new PR sa gym, masaya na ako. And doing Bad Genius is really enough na para maging happy ako para sa kanila na may iba't iba kami naabot pa rin sa buhay. Everybody's being successful and all. So, yeah, masaya lang ako.
Ilang taon ka na ba?
I'm 26.
so pwede pa.
Tagal pa. I still have a long way ahead of me and I'm enjoying everything. Sabi nga namin ni Gab, we're still not on the prime age yet, di ba? Ang prime ng lalaki around 30s, early 30s, di ba? So, we still have a long way to go. We haven't reached the prime yet, so
You still have communication with your mga batch? Sila, Anash? Or na-invite ka ba nung wedding nila?
Hindi. I mean, feeling ko intimate eh. Pero, wala. Minsan, we see each other sa, actually, nakita kami isang beses sa Faces and Curves eh. So, yun pa lang yung recent naming meet. Pero, I mean, I think okay naman, like, kung makakapag-usap, like, may mga messages. Meron naman.
Yun lang ang dahilan kung ba't hindi nyo pa iniisip magpakasal because there's still much time. Or meron kang pinag-iipunan.
Siguro I wanna be more financially stable with life. And, I mean, hoping for the success of Bad Genius and University Series, I know na there's nowhere but up. So, bakit hindi natin muna i-exhaust lahat ng opportunities natin in terms of work, just doing our best sa career natin. And eventually, marriage, family, it will come. It will come eventually. Parang ako, just enjoying my life, I'm just enjoying myself. Just enjoying myself really going to the gym with my third floor family. So, yeah, nothing but lang talaga.
Did you say gym?
Gym, yeah.
Seryoso ka talaga, ha?
Yeah, I've been really locked in for a month and 7 days na. So, sobrang wala kami ginagawa sa everyday, off days, and even kahit may work, pag may time mag-gym talaga ako kasi I'm just loving the progress and I'm loving the results so far.
Ano bang fitness goal mo?
Actually, not too big. I just wanna be as lean as possible. Yung tipong, paano ba? Lolo Pascual, diba? Gerald Anderson, yan, sila boss. So, and syempre importante rin yun sa sa career natin na meron tayong at least magandang body build.
Pero may pinaghahandaan ka rin ba project?
Meron.
Parang topless ka na rin ba? Hindi na dun sa mga major.
Yeah.
3 times, kasi 26 ka na.
Meron yan. Darating yan next year sa Book 6 ng University Series. So, as early as now, I'm doing my best to prepare my body na para pagdating doon, confident enough ako. So, abangan nyo lang.
Para kang si Jacob ng Twilight. Biglang ganon?
Yeah, meron.
Would you say na parang ganon?
I haven't heard of the kind of news ever since. Pero baka ganon, siguro.
Pero hanggang topless lang.
Hanggang topless lang. Hanggang topless lang tayo.
May pandesal na ba?
yayabang ko, pero oo.
Talaga lang
At soon makikita na nila yon.
Soon makikita nila yan eventually. And yeah, I'm just loving the results. I'm loving the progress. You know, grind lang. Sabi nga namin ni Argel sabi ko, boss, mamimili ka lang. Kung masaya o masarap. So sabi ko, nandun tayo sa pagpapakita.
So abangan namin yung level up na Jairus.
Yeah, we'll see about
Kumbaga, more mature roles, parang ganyan.
Yeah, eventually. Like, this one is also already mature eh. Pero what's funny about it is 10 years na ako nasa high school.
Oo nga. Andun pa
You know,
rin.
10 years ako sa high school and pasok-pasok pa rin tayo. But at the end of the day, nothing but, you know, happiness and grateful lang talaga ako na at this very age, nakakapag high school, ano pa rin tayo, lowest tayo. Pero may mature side din kasi we're doing edgy thriller type of series eh. And eventually, university series, yung book 6 namin ni Nicole, mature na talaga
So,
yun.
abangan ng pa-up si Jairus Aquino.
Should we use the word sexy roles?
Not really sexy, but
Mature.
mature na to the point na it's not the teeny bopper tweeny love teams love type of relationship like what we did in Love You na parang, you know, just a high school crush thing. But this time, there's a really much deeper level of intimacy lang na problems talaga ng relationship, yung mga napagdadaanan, family and all. And yeah, siguro that kind of maturity and responsibility.
Mula
Hindi-
pa nung simula, nakaplano na to sa'yo? Na there will
O
come
dahil
a
may
point.
offer lang.
O dahil may offer lang.
Siyempre, I wanted to at least put myself somewhere na medyo malayo na sa nakakiss na nilang paring Jomar, Kung Fu Kids, Love You type of Jairus. Kaya, I mean, goal na rin naman natin to eh. Kasi, you know, as much as we want na talagang mas lumawak yung kaya natin gawin, malawak yung kaya natin mapakita sa mga tao. Kaya, nasa isip ko na rin naman, no, doing some mature and more.
Paano kung may offer ang Viva Max? Maganda naman yung role. And si Gab also tried Viva Max. Hindi talaga.
But I don't think sila boss din is, you know,
Yan yung career path.
pulling or pushing me towards that career path. So, and I'm happy and grateful na hindi lang ako nakikita doon, di ba? So, yeah, so far, just, ito lang.
Siyempre kasi, once na nakita na nila yung abs mo, parang the air looking
Oo,
for
they
more.
want more.
Parang
They'll be
ganun na, ganun alam
searching.
din naman yung mga fans, di ba?
And then, everybody's wanting more. And doon na lang tayo, di ba? So, yan, ganun lang muna tayo. So, kung ano man lang yung mapapakita namin sa University Series, probably meron eh. May mga topless scenes, alam ko eh. I'm not pretty sure yet, pero it's better being prepared, di ba?
Pero of course, not yung pagdadamit. Even yung mga mature role na kissing scene,
Yeah.
okay lang yung gano'n.
Oh yeah, there's a lot of it. I think sa University Series, sobrang ibang klase talaga din. Yes, it's actually my kind of first time doing it. First time ko pa rin yung kissing scene na yun. That will be my first kissing scene for sure. I mean, 20 years now, hindi pa rin ako nagki-kissing scene. Next year pa lang. So, it's also a challenge.
So sinabi sa iyo na yon na kailangan mo
Pagandaan
na
mo.
talaga. Sinabi talagang pagandaan mo. Kasi proactively mong ginagawa.
Actually kasi there's already a book about the series eh. So as we read
Alam mo
about
na.
it, alam na namin na meron talagang ganung mga klaseng kailangan sa eksena. And ako lang din kasi parang dahil kasama ko yung mga third floor teams, yung celebrity team namin nila Gerald, lahat sila workout eh. So syempre yung pride at ego ng isa't isa, hindi talaga magpapatalo. Parang dapat ako din. So, which is a
Even
good...
to si Gab eh, na?
Oo, which is a
Kasama
good and healthy competition kasi lahat kami naghahatakan lang pataas. You know, it's just a happy competition, healthy competition na, para pag-iwanan ka na. So, syempre, susunod ka, sasabay ka.
From child wonder to Borta,
Bato-bato,
and
Jairus, bato-bato.
sexy,
We'll see about that.
Ready na for that.
And I'm very happy din doon talaga sa progress ko kasi I've never seen myself na this progress sa katawan. So,
How many years na kayo ng girlfriend mo?
we're on our, we just turned 3 years this year.
So pwede na rin, kumbaga sa sakali.
Layo ka.
Mas bata siya.
She's just 1 year younger than me. Pero layo pa. I mean, I'm still looking forward din sa kanya. I'm supporting her pa din sa mga dreams niya. Marami pa siya gusto magawa din sa life eh. So I just don't want her to, you know, lock up already sa kanya na parang very agad.
Ano naman, diba? Open naman kayo?
Yeah.
Anong name niya?
Si Andrea.
Andrea.
Andrea Angeles.
Okay.
We're open about it naman, pero we just, okay lang kami, steady lang, it's not a
At
secret.
okay lang sa kanya yon na mag-topless ka, na magpakita ka ng
Yeah, I
abs.
mean, she supports my work very, very well. And parang sa akin din, ito na talaga yung pinag-start ko eh. Ito na yung kinalakihan kong trabaho. I've been here for 20 years na. And I'm not saying that, I mean, kind of, bread and butter ko. Pero I just love what I'm doing right now. So, support lang din siya. The way ko siya sinusupportahan sa mga vlogging niya, sa pag-influencer niya. Yeah, it's just the vice versa and give and take.
Supporting you. Thank you,
Thanks, Jairo.
Jairo.
Thank you.